So my name's Cecily Schmidt. I teach art at Avanti High School. I've been teaching here for about 5 years, and I've had this vision of having an apprenticeship program for a long time. What's really cool about this program is that it allows these young artists to get outside of the high school classroom and just see like all of the different ways that you can be an artist. I think that art has the power to transform society, and I think this program can be a really powerful transformative force in a way in a big picture level, and also this like intimate connections and relationships between artists and young students.
So I'm Jimmy Ulvanis, and I'm here with Abby, right? Who's this phenomenal young artist in Olympia. Abby and I do really different art, and I frankly wouldn't be able to help her with her technique because she's phenomenal, like I said. But there are things around art that I feel like I'm able to help with. Getting a show, setting up for a show, doing all the things around a show, building panels, sort of getting a name out there and getting connected and meeting other artists and having studio visits, that sort of thing.
I have been loving it. It's been super cool. It's really, really nice to be able to kind of pick his brain for the things that he's learned over the years. And it's been super, super valuable.
I'm Kathy Gorfuss, and I'm a professional visual artist. I had the pleasure of working with 2 high school seniors from Avanti High School in the ACE program. The most important thing for me when working with students is to be able to help them connect with their inner voice, to really be able to dive deeper and understand part of the intentions as to what we're making and why we feel compelled to make the work that we're in progress with. I think the value of what this program offers is to step outside of some traditional educational formats and to give the mentors and the students an opportunity to take risks, build trust with one another, and really to understand how to thrive with your work.
I really appreciated getting to like test with multiple mediums. I think that was something me and Ernie were both really interested in, was like trying new things and getting to like doing jelly printing and letterpress and all of those things. Like it was really cool, and not knowing about those things before, but now getting to participate in them was awesome.
The role that art plays in my life is, I feel, very important. I think I use it a lot to explore my emotions and to explore kind of like myself in a way. And I think that over the course of this year, especially, and with the apprenticeship, that I've gotten the chance to learn a lot about myself and kind of a lot about my process. And I've really enjoyed it a lot. I think it's been really fun.
What has been meaningful to me throughout this program has been learning about shipping pottery, how to pack stuff. Yeah, it's been good to visualize pottery as like a business.
I have been a working artist for many years, and I don't always have to talk through my process. And the day of being here, I struggle to, or at least attempt to, be more articulate about why we do things in our practice. And so that has been valuable to me. And I do think it's important for students to have these alternative opportunities to what careers can look like. I mean, historically, ceramics, pottery is like a male-dominated field, so to be in a studio where Nevaeh is like only hanging out with other people who identify as either female or non-binary, I think is just like changes the vibe.
I really value being able to have like a dedicated space to do art, and I don't know, it's just important to me.
My experience is that a lot of young people have been told, don't be an artist. You know, some young people that I worked with even heard from their parents or people who love them, I won't pay for your education if you study art. That's how demeaned the whole idea has been. But now we're in a kind of a place where we're looking for what sets humans aside from things that computers can do. And unfortunately, computers can do some kinds of art, but they are not good at inventing a life, at least at this point. And they are not good at looking around at the human condition and seeing where delight can be found or made. They don't know how to do that, and they may never know how to do that. And humans, on the other hand, that's a nice investment there. I think we should continue to give encouragement and hope to people who just happen to be creatives. You know, they have a big place in the world that's coming on, so let's get it started.
The thing I am really excited about with this program is the opportunity for art students to do the same thing that welding students, shop students, auto body students, all the programs that the schools have for kids that are receiving technical training. There's none for artists. These students will have the opportunity to find out what comes next in the art world. And so I'm really excited about the concept behind this, and it's been wonderful to see the different artists that have stepped in and stepped up and said, yes, this is really important. We've got to bring up the young. I mean, we can't all be ancient artists. You got to start somewhere. And the younger you find your voice, the stronger you're going to be.
We want to thank Evan Horback for making this all possible.